Mama Meadow. I am running really, really late to therapy. And supposed to be walking in there like right now. But that's okay, you know, I'm getting there. I got a new job, so I was having to do some new hire paperwork. So that's exciting. 2 new jobs in 1 week. Woohoo! I know I haven't vlogged in a little bit, and I apologize. So hopefully I'll make up for it today for something cooler. I don't know. But wish me luck, and I will film more after therapy. It's really nice outside. Daughter's last day of school, and we're gonna go to the pool. So I will do more of this later. Okay, bye. Hi, it's Mama Meadow and my sister back there. We are at Coffee Creek, just exploring. This video is not going to be anything therapy related, so enjoy it, some nature. Hopefully somebody got outside and did something fun today. It's been beautiful, and this little creek deal is nice, but a little questionable. We found some crawdads and she's kind of scared, thinks they're crabs. But then there's some spiders that I'm not a fan of. But it's still fun, so yeah, we're just gonna kind of video our little adventure out here, and I will post it hopefully today. Alright, bye. You waiting to see me fall? Are you gonna jump in that? No. I wish she would. Solid. Thank goodness. Huh? Oh. Slimy a little bit? Yeah. Get to that rock. That one? No, the big one. You want me to dive? You made me do it. Twice now. I don't think I. You can't make it? Those are huge. It's so dark. My hair looks crazy. We're at Ogden Gardens now. Just enjoying this little pond. Tons of fun. It's getting dark and there's like storms coming. I don't know, but we'll have to see.